Hi students, welcome back to our class. In last class, we studied nth term of an AP. The nth term of an AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have already studied. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have discussed some problems. Today, we can move on to some other problems. Here, I have a question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, etc. is 78? Which term is 78? Question is, which term of the AP is 78? In this AP, 78 is a term. So we have to find which term is 78. So our AP is 3, 8, 13, etc. So obviously first term A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Then 3, 8, 13. What is the common difference? Common difference is equal to D is equal to A2 minus A1. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to A2 is 8, second term is 8, first term is 3. So 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So we got common difference 5. So we have an AP 3, 8, 13, etc. First term is 3 and the common difference is 5. Now our question is, which term is 78? So, which term? So, we have to find out which term is 78. So, we have the formula for general form of an AP. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We studied the nth term of an AP. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So, question is, which term is 78? So, 78 is a term. So, in which term? So we have to find which term is 78. So we have A is 3 and D is 5. And we have to find out N. N we have to find out and N is equal to 78. So N is a term which is 78. So we have to find out this N. Which term is 78? So if N is equal to 78, we have to find this N. So we have to find out N. N is equal to 78. Then we will get which term of the AP is 78. We can find the term of the AP which is 78. So we have to find N. We have A is equal to 78. A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 5. So substituting these values in this formula, we will get N. So N we take as 78. So we have to take N is equal to 78. A which is equal to A means 3. A plus N minus 1 D. N, we don't know, we have to find out N. So N minus 1 the same way. And D is 5. So 78 is equal to 3 plus N minus 1 into 5. Which is equal to 78 is equal to 3 plus 5, N minus 1 into 5. So we have to multiply this 5 with the bracket. We will get 5 into N, 5N minus 5 into 1, 5. So we got 78 is equal to 3 plus 5 into n, 5n minus 5. That is 78 is equal to, here 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5, what is the answer? Minus 2 plus 5. So 78 is equal to minus 2 plus 5n. Other words, we can write in the reverse order. Minus 2 plus 5n is equal to 78. 78 is equal to minus 2 plus 5n means minus 2 plus 5n is equal to 78. We have to find N. So minus 2 plus 5n is equal to 78. 5n is equal to, when minus 2 goes to RHS, when minus 2 goes to RHS, we will get 78 is there. Minus 2 goes to RHS, it will become plus 2. So 5n is equal to 78 plus 2. So 5n is equal to 78 plus 2, which means 5n is equal to 78 plus 2 means 80. 78 plus 2 which is equal to 80. Therefore 5n is equal to 80, n is equal to 80 by 5, which is equal to 80 by 5 is equal to 60. So we got n is equal to 60. So we got, when we take n is equal to 78, we get n is equal to 60. So we can say that which term of the AP 78 means 16th term of this AP is 76. n is equal to 60. We take n is equal to 78. So we can conclude that 16th term, here we got 16, n is equal to 60. So 16th term of this AP is 78. So we got 16th term of this AP is 78. Let us discuss another problem. A sum of rupees 1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per year. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do this interest form an AP? If so, find the interest at the end of 30 year, making use of this fact. So, a sum of rupees 1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per year. So, we are going to find out the simple interest of rupees 1000 at 8% of interest in simple interest case. Okay. So, principal, we know that principal is rupees 1000. So, P is equal to 1000. Then, investor rate at 8%. So, rate is we represented by R is equal to 8%. So, at the end of each year, we will get simple interest. The question is that, do these interest form an AP? We will get interest in each year. These interest form an AP is our question. So, first, let us consider the interest after first year. So, interest after first year. So, we have a formula for finding interest. Interest I is equal to, interest I is equal to P R T by 100. P R T by 100. P is the principal, R is the rate, T is the time, year, and 100 by 100. So, interest is equal to P R T by 100. So, we are going to find the interest of each year. After first year, what will be the interest? I is equal to P R T by 100. So, P is 1000, rate is 8, and time, first year. So, after 1 year, T is 1 by 100. So, we can cut this 2 0 and this 2 0. Turn into 8 into 1. Let's turn into 8, 80. 8 into 1, 80. So, we got 80 rupees at the interest. So, principal is 1000 rupees, and after first year, rate is 80 rupees. After second year, what will be the rate? PRT by 100, isn't it? Here, P is 1000. P is 1000 into rate. Rate is 8%. So, 8. After second year, so T is, after 2 years means T is 2 by 100. So, what will be the value? We can cut these 2 zeros. Then 10 into 8, 80. 80 into 2, 160. So, we got 160. So, after first year, we got 80. After second year, we got 160. What about after third year? After third year, 1000 into rate 8, and after 3 years, so T is 3 by 100. So, 2 0 will cancel. 10 into 8 into 3, which means 10 into 8, 80, 8 into 3, 240. So, in the end of third year, we got 240. End of second year, 160. After first year, we got 80. So, I am going to these values. We got interest rate after each year. As after first year, we got 80 rupees. And next year, we got 160 rupees. Next year, we got 240 rupees. And so on. Let us check this formula. 80, 160. Which means 80 plus 80 is 160. 160, 240. 160 plus 80. Here also plus 80. Here also plus 80. So, and so on. So, we got, when we get the next term by adding 80 rupees. So, 80 is adding. So, this forms an AP. these interest form an AP. One more question is here. If so, find the interest at the end of 30 years. So how can we find? We can find interest at the end of 30 years by using the formula. So we have formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we have formula A plus N minus 1 into D. So we have to find the 30th years. So we have to find out A30. After 30 years, what will be the interest? So we have to find out A3. So A3 we have to find out. We have A is equal to 80. Here first time is 80. What about D? D is equal to A2 minus A1. So or difference between the two consecutive terms. So 160 minus 80, which is also 80. D is also 80. And N. N means after 30 years. So N is equal to 30. Let's substitute these values in this equation. So N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Which means A, we have to find out A30. After 30, here what will be the interest? So A30 is equal to A plus, here A is 80. 80 plus N minus, N is 30. So 30 minus 1. N minus 1 means 30 minus 1 into D. D is 80. So we got A30 is equal to 80 plus 30 minus 1 into 80. So A30 is equal to 80 plus 30 minus 1, which is 29. We got 30 minus 1 is 29 into 80. What about 29 into 80? So 80 plus 29 into 80. When we calculate this, we will get the value 2400. So we got 2400 will be the rate. First we multiply these two and add with 80, we will get 2400. So after 30th year, the interest will be 2400. So this question, rupees 1000 is investing. So after each year we get 80, 160, 240, etc. So this forms an AP. At the end of 30th year we will get 2400 rupees. Next question is, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? We have to find how many two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Can you say which is the first two-digit number which is divisible by 3? We know that 12 is the first two-digit number which is divisible by 3. 10 is the first two-digit number which is not divisible by 3. Next one is 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. Next one is 12. So 12 is the first two-digit number which is divisible by 3. Then next will be what? 50. 50 will be the next digit which is divisible by 3. And so on, which will be the last two-digit number which is divisible by 3. We know that 99 is the last two-digit number which is divisible by 3. So our question is that how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So these are the two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. So you have to find how many of them are two-digit numbers are divisible by 3. So first one is 12, next 15, etc. 99. You have to find out how many numbers are here. So we have, this is an AP because 12, 15, next one is 80, 21, 3 is adding. So 12, 15, 18, 21, etc. 99, 3 is adding. So A is equal to 12 and D is equal to 3. Isn't it? 3 is adding, so common difference is 3. Here first term is A is equal to 12. So you have to find out how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3. How to find total number of digits. So you have to find N. And we have last term is 99. So we write N is equal to 99. So last term is 99. We have to find out N. So we have to write the formula. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substituting all these values here, we will get the values of n. So n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. n is, we take n as 99. So we have to find out n. So 99 is equal to a plus. A is 12 plus n minus 1. N we have to find out. So n minus 1 into d. D is 3. Which means 99 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 3 means multiply 3 with bracket 3 into n 3n minus 3 into 1 3. So 99 is equal to 12 minus 3, which means 12 minus 3 9 plus 3. So 99 is equal to 9 plus 3n, or 9 plus 3n is equal to 99. You just change the order. 9 plus 3n is equal to 99, which means 3n is equal to 99 is here. When plus 9 goes to RHS, minus 9. So 3n is equal to 99 minus 9, or 3n is equal to 99 minus 9 means 90. 99 minus 9 is equal to 90. So 3n is equal to 90, therefore n is equal to 90 minus 3, which is equal to 90 minus 3 is equal to what? 30. So we got n is equal to 30. So when we take n is equal to 99, we will get n. So 30th term is 99. So first term is 12, 30th term is 99. So there are 30 terms in this series. So we can conclude that there are 30 two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Here we took n is equal to 99. So 30th term is 99. So the number of terms in this AP is 30. So we can conclude that there are 30 two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. So we discussed some problems of arithmetic progression related with the nth term of an AP. Thank you.